Module 7, Lesson Title, The Traffic Safety Education, Lesson Objectives. At the end of this session, the student will be able to appreciate the importance of traffic safety education, identify factors contributing to the traffic accidents, and determine the 4 types of instruction methods. What is traffic safety education? It is the process of training roads users in the avoidance and prevention of traffic-related accidents. Road safety, it refers to reduced risk of accident or injury on the roads, achieved through multidisciplinary approaches involving road engineering and traffic management, education, and training of the use of road vehicle design. Factors contributing to accidents. Human error include going too fast or excessive speed, failing to give at intersection, overtaking improperly, and intoxications of alcohol or drugs and others. Road deficiency that are main contributory factors are poor design of layout and control at intersections, inadequate signing, road marking, and lighting, and slippery roads. Main vehicle factors are defects in tires, brake, and lights, and absence of non-using of seat belts. Levels of traffic safety education, imparting knowledge concerning traffic safety, training and practice in actual application of traffic safety knowledge, and developing traffic safety morality. Traffic safety for children. This is usually carried out in the home through parental education in kindergarten and nurseries. It is highly unsystematic. Elementary. Pupils are usually educated by focusing on traffic safety and guides, classroom discussion of accidents, incidents, and other basic safety traffic rules. Traffic safety education for adults. Safety education for elder, pedestrian, and drivers is relatively easier compared to the education and design for younger children, since the former group is a better position to understand what is being taught to them. It is the general belief that by being a better driver, it follows that one becomes a better pedestrian. By knowing limitation of driver and the vehicle as a driving student, one learns to watch out for dangerous cues such as pedestrian. This is the basic reason why traffic safety education for adults usually deals only with the foundations of basic driving. Driver education is carried out in secondary schools, in private and government sponsored driving schools in a number of countries where people are expected to know how to drive when they reach legal age. The basic purpose of driving educations are to develop good traffic citizens who are equipped to live in a motorized society and achieve traffic safety, and to develop citizens who are legally eligible to get a driver license, to instill awareness of one's legal and moral responsibilities in traffic, to reach and abilities required for one to be eligible for driver's license. For basic types of instruction methods, comprehensive, places the students into real-life driving situation from the beginning. Traditional instruction, this type depends on instructor-students communication. Commentary driving method, the student's driver is accompanied by the instructor. While the student driver drives, the instructor gives a commentary on his or her driving, what he sees, what he does, why he does, what he the purpose to do, and what others are like to do. Simulated condition. On and off the road training. The principle of this method is to determine the behavior of driver A simulation is a static machine with all important features of a car used in driving methods of driving training. These are the two methods of simulation presently adopted. Partial simulation method. The aim of the training is for the substake of the driving task. Global simulation. The training simulated traffic situations and conditions with the use of stimulators such as training in basic control skills, perceptual training, and emergencies training. Classification of film as shown by the simulators. Analytical film, which provides an objective analysis of the driving simulations presented to the students. Didactic film, which aims to show good driving behavior. Simulation films offers visual realism to driving simulation and therefore a good aid in actual practice. Safety campaign is also known as the road propaganda, which may be intended simplify to inform, or it may be felt that the public is already aware of recommended behavior but need to persuaded into adopting it. Safety campaign classification, according to purpose, may be categorized as informational, attitudinal, and behavior. According to kind and appeal, used to reason by simply feeding the public with authenticated factual data.